Alright guys, welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with these two platforms called PayPal and Gray. Now in my other videos I've been showing you exactly how to connect these two platforms, and now you can do arbitrage business using these two platforms, where you just need to go and source PayPal funds. You can buy PayPal funds from people for as low as 500, 490, 510, 520, and you can come to this platform called Gray.com and sell it at 580. Now I'll be able to carry out some transaction in this platform, and I'm going to show you exactly how everything works. Now if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on this channel. Guys, this is massive. Okay, so now you need to sign up for Grail. You need to make sure you have a Grail account already, and to do that you just go to grail.co and you click on sign in, or sign up or get started, and make sure you create your account. Now once you've created your Gray account, you should come to this account section here and request for your virtual account. As you can see right here, I have Euro account. I've requested for it and I've been approved. Here is my Euro account details, and I also have US dollars account details here. I've been approved here. But if you look at here, I've not actually requested for Great Britain pound. Now this is how your own is going to look like. If you're just new, you're going to have this request virtual account stuff. So once you click on it, it's going to ask you to submit your details, your documents, and the rest of them. Then they can go ahead to send your virtual card for you. So that's basically how it's done. So once you create Gray account, make sure to go and request for your virtual account in order for you to do this business. Now once you have a virtual account set up, let me show you the rates of money here. As you can see right here at this $1 is selling for 580 at this website. Now this is massive, guys, and for this Great Britain pound is 755, and for this euros it's 627. So these prices are black market rate, and as of now I'm making this video, this is what the price is. Okay, so definitely the price might increase later on, or it might decrease, but for now this is the best rate, and this is the best place to sell your naira, to sell your foreign currencies in order to get a higher value for your naira. Okay, so make sure you do that. So now you can actually use PayPal to buy PayPal from people and come to Grail and sell it in order for you to make more profit. So if you look at this platform, this is my account. If you go to balance section right here, let me show you something, and go to US dollars. As you can see, I have $50, $50.49 right here, and I can swap this currency to naira and withdraw it straight to my bank account. So it's that very easy. Now if you look at down here, you see that I've done transaction here. This is when I was testing it out. I sent $1, and they took just a little fee at the 1 cent, and 0.99 cents arrived in my account. Then I had to shift in $50, and they took 49.50 cents. I received 49.50 dollars, and they took just a few couple of cents away. So that's, they just have 1% charges. So as you can see, these two transactions are completed. So this proves that this method works, or this website works. Okay, so it's not a scam stuff. So you need to go sign up for an account in order for you to enjoy this business. Now for you to be able to withdraw your money from this USD now to Nigeria, we just need to swap this US funds. Okay, so just click on swap, and it's going to ask us which currency do we want to swap to. We'll say Nigeria, and it's going to ask us to swap which amount do we want to swap. So let's say I want to swap everything. I'll just type it out, 50.49. So once I click on 50.49, it's going to tell me that it's going to take 50 cents away from the money. Then that's fine with me, and it's going to show me that I'm going to receive 28,994 naira, 28,994 naira. That's what I'm going to receive, and yeah, this is it. So if I'm fine with it, I just click on confirm and continue, and I'm going to do that, but I'll do that after the video. So this is it, exactly, very simple. This is how you're going to swap your money from US dollars to NG and Nigerian currency. Now once you swapped your money, you're going to see it here in your Nigerian balance. Now once it's here in your Nigerian balance, all you just need to do is to click on withdraw, and you can withdraw it to your saved recipient, or withdraw it to another account that is not yours. Now in order for you to withdraw it using this saved recipient, you need to go to this card and recipient option right here. So what you need to do right here is to add your recipient, you add your card, okay, your bank. So you just click on this one. I've already added mine, as you can see, look at it. So you just need to click on add a recipient and enter your account currency and enter your country, and follow the prompt. Okay, just answer the questions they are going to ask you. It's very simple, and provide them all the details they need, and they are going to set you up. So now you can go to this balances again, go to NGN, and you can withdraw your funds directly into your account. So it's that very simple. So what we do is go source for PayPal funds. Ask freelancers, people that work online, they have PayPal funds and they want to sell it. Some of them don't know this method I've showed you. So what you need to do is buy those PayPal funds from them, transfer it to Gray here, and sell at a higher rate in order for you to make more money. Is that not cool? Sure it is. Make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and like this video so that you won't miss other videos once I drop them. Okay, so this is how you make money using these two platforms, PayPal and Gray, and this is how you convert currencies easily. So this is what you should do in order for you to make more money using these two platforms. So guys, I believe you enjoyed this video. If you want me to do any other video, please tell me in the comment section and I'll make that video for you. Okay, so with that said and done, I believe this video was helpful. Now make sure to subscribe, like I said, turn on the bell icon, like this video so that you won't miss any other video once I drop them on the channel. Thank you very much guys, stay blessed.